Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create Steam guides on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top menu and click on Library. This will take you to your game collection, where you can access all the titles you own. In the left panel, click on the game you want to create a guide for. This could be any game in your library that you'd like to share tips, strategies, or walkthroughs about. After selecting your game, click on Guides. This feature allows you to view existing community guides and create your own. In the right panel, click Create Guide to start building your tutorial. This will open up the guide creation interface where you can customize all aspects of your content. Now enter your guide title in the designated field. Make sure your title is clear and descriptive so other players can easily understand what your guide covers. Next, click Choose File, then select the image from your folder and click Open. This banner image will represent your guide in the Community Hub, so choose something relevant and eye-catching. After that, select your preferred language by clicking the drop-down menu. This ensures your guide reaches the right audience who can understand your content. Now it's time to describe your guide by clicking the text field and typing out your description. This is where you provide a brief overview of what players can expect to learn from your guide, so make it informative and engaging. From there, select your categories from the list by checking the box beside each one. You can select multiple categories to help players find your guide more easily based on what type of content you're providing. Once that's done, check the box beside I am the original creator of this guide, or I have legal authorization from the guide's creator to post this. This is important for respecting intellectual property rights and maintaining community standards. Click Save and continue to proceed to the next stage. At this point, you'll need to add guide content, upload images for your guide, and add a contributor before you can publish your Steam guide. These elements are essential for creating a complete and helpful resource. Click Add section, then click Edit this section. This allows you to break down your guide into organized parts that readers can follow step by step. Enter all the required information in the fields provided, then click Save. Make sure your content is clear and well structured so players can easily follow along. Now click Choose File, then select the image from your folder. Click Open, and then click Upload. Adding visuals throughout your guide helps illustrate your points and makes the content more engaging for readers. Next, click Add a contributor, then select one of your friends from the list. This credits anyone who helped you create the guide and allows them to share ownership of the content. Finally, click Preview Guide to see how your finished guide will look to other Steam users. This gives you a chance to review everything before publishing and make any final adjustments if needed. And that's it! You've successfully created your own Steam guide that can help players in the community. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.